Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to assemble a Prusa face shield. And so you're going to need a few things. You're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to need a visor portion, the 3D printed parts, and an elastic. So what we're doing is we're taking these elastic bands and then cutting them with an X-Acto knife, holes at the end of it. So once we have holes at the end of it, with the X-Acto knife, we're going to take a 3D printed part and put it on the edges and hook it around, like so. And we have to make sure that all 3D printed parts have been cleaned with peroxide, like such, including the visors and the elastics. So we put them on the sides, like such. Make sure it hooks around. So once we have that part, we're going to attach the visor portion of it. So we got to make sure that with the CAD file that's being passed around, we have to add slits to the end of each hole after you do the vinyl or laser cutting. So we're going to put it around. Make sure they're all in each hook. So as you can see in the, just to get a close-up, the slits at the end of it are being cut and added in. So perfect. Once it's all clipped in, then we just need to add one last part, which is the bottom piece of the 3D printed part, and that should just clip in easily. Like such. And so then we're left with the face shields.